everybody, welcome back to the Pixar Cars Thomas the French Fan channel. Today we're going to unbox another car from GearBest. The first one they sent us was Lightning McQueen. It's called Monster Truck Lightning McQueen. Look at the wheels on him. It actually came in this box here, and it was Cars Tunes, the world of cars. And we took most of the features of the car they sent us and turned it into this giant monster truck with the cab and the engine on the side and everything. And here's our original off-road Lightning McQueen right here. There's no motor in it, but when you push him down here... Yeah, I know, it hurts. Anyway, we're taking that and this to PEI with us this week, and we're going to go to the beach and get some really cool videos of this car going through the sand. Look at the size of the wheels on it now. It's going to be awesome. It's going to fly over the sand dunes. So what we have here today is another car from GearBest. It's called Smartwatch, a voice command car. Now, let's open this up and see what's inside. It looks like it has a wristwatch and lights and sound, manual steering, and turbo speeds, okay? And which one do we have here? Let's have a look. Let's open it up right now and see what's inside. Zoom back. Okay, instructions, how to use it. Smartwatch. Okay, there's the instructions. Go forward, go back, car brake, turbo, demo, and spin out. Those are the commands it takes. Okay, so let's look at the car. It looks like a brand new Camaro, actually. What do you think? Is that a Camaro? Get a better look at it right here. Let's have a look. And this here is the charger cable. This goes into your USB port in your computer, and this goes in right here. Charge it up, and the on button's right here. There, it's on now. Lights are flashing. Check it out. And this is the smart watch, the controller. This is pretty cool. You wear this on your wrist. There we go. I never seen something like this before. But anyway, you hold that down for a couple of seconds and it starts. Car started up. And this here turns your wheels. See the wheels turning? And if I say go forward, okay, I had to push the button to stop it. What do I have to say? Car brake, okay. Go forward. Car brake, car brake. That's pretty cool, and you can steer it. So that's how that works. Now I'm going to take it into the rec room and show you how it actually functions on the ground. Okay, there's a watch. I took it off my hand so you'd actually see it. Go forward. Okay, let's try that again. Go forward. Car brake. Go forward. Car brake. Car brake. Go forward. Car brake. Go backward. Go forward. Car brake. Go forward. Turbo. Okay, watch this here. Go forward. Spin out. Spin out. That was pretty cool. Spin out. Go backward. Stop. And to steer it, I can just turn this here. Watch. Go forward. Go backwards. Go forward. Go forward. I'm pushing the brake button right here. Go backwards. Go forward. Turbo. That's pretty cool. Turbo. Car stop. Go backwards. Car brake. Spin out. Go forward. Well, there you have it. What do you think? It's the first time I ever saw a voice-actuated remote control car. Strong Hurricane Racing, turbo control, turbo mode. It's pretty awesome, actually. Not bad. Send me your opinion, see what you think. I'd like to hear from you. And if you have any ideas for more videos from our channel, let me know. And as soon as I get this video from PEI up, I'll send you a link. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get our notifications when we're done. Okay, let's turn this off.